Hi everyone, let's create this presentation and see how it looks like. Okay, it has some nice transition. Let's create it. At first we need to start by creating a new slide. In our new slide we create 3 rectangles as always, 1, 2, 3, and then align them center. Select all of them by Ctrl A, align them center, align them middle. Now you see we need to increase their size a little. Now we reduce their size one by one. Sorry everyone. 1 and then 2. Then select all 3 of them, go to shape format none. We need to color them up. For the color I'm going to use format background and use this color as format background and apply it to all. Then I'm going to use this color for that and this color for that, and that is for the last one. And press Ctrl A, and from here you can make them some shadow. Go here and give them some inner shadows. Okay, now it's ready. This is our text, and I add these icons from here. You can connect to internet and download them. And after that we press Ctrl to copy them. Okay, it's good. Now we copy this slide here, but before that we select these 2 and bring them to front. We copy this slide, select the last layer and increase it. See, we have a problem here. What is the problem? The problem is that because they are layer by layer, you need to bring these 3 to front. We go here and bring them to front. Now when we copy that and want to increase this size, that problem don't appear. Okay, after increasing the size I just simply delete them because I have the reshape type of them, and copy that, paste it here, paste it here. And also I think I need to move them a little here and a little here. Okay, that's good. I copy that more time, but before copying I select these 3, all of them, and bring them to front. Then I select these 3 and bring them to front. Okay, now I copy this slide, select these 2 and increase it. You see the text is now gone. Let's color them black. We need to copy the next text and then select these 3 things and go here and bring them to front. Copy this slide, increase their size. Let me bring this thing to front also, and the last text. Now give all of the slide a great morph transition. Select all of them and give them morph transition. Now your slide is ready. If you like this kind of videos, you can find many of them in my channel. Until then, have a nice time.